In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a phone with Exchange on Amazon. By the end, you'll know exactly how to apply a trade-in toward a new phone, what to look for on the product page, and how to ship your old device safely, all without any guesswork. Start by heading to the official Amazon website and signing into your account. Being signed in ensures you see the correct eligibility, pricing, and delivery options for your location. If you haven't updated your address or payment method in a while, it's a good moment to confirm those details so checkout goes smoothly later. Next, search for the phone you want. You can type a specific model like Apple iPhone 16, Samsung Galaxy S25, or Google Pixel 10, then open the product page for the exact color and storage you prefer. Make sure you're viewing the listing sold by a trusted seller, ideally Amazon or an authorized retailer, to keep trade-in options accurate. On the product page, look for a trade-in section. You might see wording such as Save with Trade-in or Trade in your old device. Click that option. Not all phone listings support Exchange, so if you don't see it, that particular model or seller likely isn't eligible for trade-in. When the trade-in flow opens, select details about your old phone. Choose the brand, model, storage size, and its condition. Be as honest and precise as possible. Conditions typically range from like new and good to acceptable or broken damaged. Read the short descriptions carefully so your self-assessment matches reality. Amazon will then show an estimated trade-in value based on your answers. If you're happy with the offer, accept it and proceed. The value may be applied as an instant discount, an Amazon gift card credit, or include a promotional bonus depending on the offer shown. At checkout, you should see the trade-in value reflected before you place the order. Review your shipping address, select your payment method, and confirm the order to lock everything in. After purchase, Amazon will provide instructions for sending your old phone, typically including a free shipping label. Before you ship, back up your files, remove your SIM card, sign out of any accounts, and perform a factory reset to protect your data. Follow the packing and labeling directions provided and send the device as instructed so your trade-in is processed without delay. That's the full process for buying a new phone on Amazon with Exchange. Follow these steps and you'll save money while upgrading with confidence.